We pop out at your party, I'm with the gang, and it's gonna be a robbery, so tuck your chain, I'm a killer.
What's good, YouTube? You already know who it is. It's Famous Lonnie here, Famous Gang. And look, today, I'm here with y'all with the ultimate hair video, my nigga. I make these hair videos for y'all, like the people that got Freeform dreads and started Freeform dreads. So I just got to get that out the way before the video start, because a lot of people be saying, why do you make these videos? Why do you keep making? Like, I'm just saying, for the people that say that, you don't, like, it's cool that you watch it, but like, I'm not forcing you to. So like, click out the video right now if you don't fuck with my vids, my God. But look, today I'm just about to be explaining to the short hair people, like, or the people that's just starting their freeforms, what should you do, like, what, like, you see, I'm a pro at this. Yeah. Like, this junk, it's like what I've been doing for like a year now. So like, I got everything down packed, and I'm just about to give y'all all my advice and tips. So before this video starts, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Do what all you gotta do. But look, why do this light get getting so bright, man? But look, what you could need, like, your hair, it won't be this long when it start. It might be like this long, like, all right, your hair might be this long. And another thing I gotta say, like, right off the bat, don't make real skinny dreads. Skinny dreads, they will fall out. They will become something like this. Like, it's real thin. I had to attach it to more. Like, I just poke a hole at the bottom and then like flip it around. I think that's like crochet hooking or something like that, but I didn't use a crochet hook. I just poked a hole at the bottom of my dread and flipped it in. So yeah, what you gonna need, like, you shouldn't like wash your hair like every week. You should wash it like every 3 weeks. Like, wet it, like real wet it, like soak it out. Cause when you get to soaking your hair and wetting it, the dreads will afro up, or like mat up actually. And you see my dreads, they don't do none of that, you know what I'm saying? They go crazy. So you want your dreads like this, like, you should start off, you should start off and like with a towel like this. This is a microfabric towel, and I use this like right when I started my dreads. If you don't got that, you could use your hand too. The only thing you gotta do is go like this and go crazy. Just get to spinning. But look, a lot of people that been DMing me, they got like real short hair. So I just want to give like a lot of y'all tips. Like, the tips, like I told some of y'all, just like 2-string twist. Just grab a nice amount of hair. It ain't gotta be real long, and twist it up first. Just twist it as much as you can, and then do this. So you should do this to your whole head, all right? After that, like, just 2-string twist basically, as you can see, like right there. Yeah, so that help your hair a lot. Like, you just gotta do that like every day. I'm sorry for the background, my family, they just got here. But this, I ain't show y'all what to do for this. Like, it's the same thing with your hand basically, but like, you're just doing it like a lot rougher. And this point to the direction you want it, cause like, it's microfabric, so it's like pulling hairs. It's pulling hairs in like a certain direction. So I mess with this towel heavy, I ain't gonna lie. Like, a lot of people, they use sponges. I'm not no fan of sponges like that. And I'm gonna explain, like, y'all see this? And look at my hair pattern. Like, that don't even go together. Like, it do actually, but look, I'm about to show y'all. I don't know, I always think sponges like break my roots, cause I already had like thin hair, like thin dreads. So like, when I did that, it made my hair even thinner. So yeah, I really wasn't rocking with the sponge so much. Hey, y'all see them waves coming in the front though. But look, yeah, I've been growing these for like a year now. So that's that if you want to know about that. I really don't put no what is it called, like greases or nothing like that in my hair, cause like it don't need it really. Like you do the steps that I showed you, like you just do 2-string twists, and you gotta put your hair in buns at night. Like buns, it help your hair so much. Like even you gotta put them in like 10 little ponytails. Do it, cause it help grow your hair. It help like stretch out your hair. Like, and then when you wake up in the morning, go here, boom, 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 and just pull it down the front like that. Just do that junk every day. Like some people don't even know how to wake up in the morning. They just go on with the day. My dreads messed up. It is what it is. Yeah. I also got a new phone, so I'm gonna be making better videos. My camera just got kind of better, basically. But yeah, that's like all you gotta do for like short hair. I think short hair is like the hardest steps though. Like you just gotta wake up and like keep doing the same thing. Like you gotta want freeform dreads. Like you just can't. You're not gonna get them. You're not gonna get them if your hair real short and you're not trying. Like I don't think so. But like use that hand method. Like just like do this a lot, cause like what it's doing while your hand open, it's like spreading them out and spreading them out, like attaching dreads. Yeah, that makes sense. So it's like attaching dreads. And when you attach it, unattaching them, I mean, like you make it more dreads. So like my dreads, I think I got like, I don't know, I got a lot. I got a decent amount. Like I think I got like 50. I don't know. I got a decent amount though. I don't think it's too much, but actually I think I got like 75. Like I got a ton of dreads. Like even right here, in this little box right here, that's like 40 dreads, bro. Nah, that ain't 40, that's like 25. Yeah, but like all together, I think I got like 55 dreads, something like that. I'm just doing an estimate. I never counted them. Yeah, that's basically it. That's all you gotta do really for your short hair. I just had to get this video out because like a lot of people with short hair was asking me, and I was like, where the long hair dread people at? But I understand that they already started their dreads, so they probably don't need to watch this video. But somebody like that's just starting, they need to watch somebody with long dreads, like good dreads, so they can understand how to do it. So yeah, if you're new to my channel, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, do all you gotta do. I'm out, man.